We at least know in orthopedic stress test for medial collateral ligament of knee. स्ट्रेस टेस्ट किस चीज़ के लिए करेंगे? स्ट्रेस टेस्ट देखो इधर से ये इधर तान रहा है और ये उधर जा रहा है। सो स्ट्रेस टेस्ट फॉर medial collateral ligament of knee. medial collateral ligament इधर होगा। सो नाउ द स्ट्रेस फ्रैक्चर क्या होता है? स्ट्रेस फ्रैक्चर, this is a special type of fracture sustained due to chronic repetitive injury. This is a special type of fracture sustained due to chronic repetitive injury. Chronic repetitive injury. Repeated stress result in breakage. Repeated stress result in breakage if bony trabecule. Repeated stress result in breakage if bony trabecule. Such fracture may not be visible on X-ray and may present only as pain in the bone. These are often difficult to diagnose and may only be picked up on MRI or bone scan. So what is a stress fracture? This is a special type of fracture sustained due to chronic repetitive injury. This is a special type of fracture sustained due to chronic repetitive injury, बार repetitive injury. Repeated stress result in breakage if bony trabeculi. Such fracture may not be visible on X-ray and may present only as pain in the bone. These are often difficult to diagnose and may only be picked up on MRI or a bone scan. Displacement of fracture. Displacement, this is called shift. इधर आ गया shift. This is forming angle, so angulation. This is rotation. Pattern of fracture. Pattern of fracture में देखिए, this is called transverse. This one is oblique pattern. This one is a spiral pattern. Here one comminuted. This one is segmental. So transverse, oblique, spiral, comminuted, segmental. X-ray of hip showing destruction of bone. X-ray of hip showing destruction of bone which lead to pathological fracture through weak portion. X-ray of hip showing destruction of bone. X-ray of hip showing destruction of bone which lead to pathological fracture through weak portion. Normal joint ऐसे होते हैं. Subluxation is like this and dislocation, fully dislocated. So dislocation and subluxation of joint. देखिए bone chip होते हैं. Ligament avulsion with bone chip. And degree of ligament sprain. First degree like this, second degree a little torn, third degree full torn. Degree of ligament sprain. 3 types. First type, second type, third type. देखिए first, second, third. Degree of ligament sprain.